Hello students. So today I will explain you what is connective tissue and its types. So do you know which type of tissue connects the different organs of your body? You might be thinking about connective tissue. Connective tissues are most abundant and widely distributed in the body of higher animals. Bone, loose, fibrous, adipose, blood, cartilage are all connective tissue. Let's examine different types of connective tissue and their functions. So now connective tissue are classified into three types. Now first is loose connective tissue, number 2 is dense connective tissue, and number 3 is specialized connective tissue. So we will learn about loose connective tissue. Have cells. Loose connective tissue has cells and fibers closely arranged in semi-solid ground fluid gland substance. It is further divided into two types: areolar tissue, second adipose tissue, and then areolar tissue. What is areolar tissue? Present beneath the skin and serves as a support framework for the epithelium. Okay, so areolar tissue present. It is present beneath the skin and serves as a support framework for the epithelium, and it contains fibrous slats, macrophages, and all. Adipose tissue. Then adipose tissue is another type of loose connective tissue located mainly beneath the skin. The cells of these tissue are specialized to store fats. The excessive nutrients which are not used immediately are converted into fats and are stored in this tissue. Dense connective tissue. Dense connective tissue to tissue in which fibers and fibroblasts are compactly packed. On the basis of orientation of fibers, dense connective tissue is further divided into two types: dense regular tissue and dense irregular tissue. Now, what is dense regular tissue? When orientation of fiber is regular in that condition, it is called as dense regular tissue. Dense regular tissue, while in dense irregular fibers are arranged in irregular pattern. Specialized connective tissue. Bones and bloods are different types of specialized connective tissue. Bones have hard and non-palleable ground substance rich in calcium salts and collagen fibers which give bone its strength. It is the main tissue that provides structural frame to the body. It is bones and sport and products softer tissue and organs. Now the bone cells or osteoids are present in the special cell called uniculae. Limb bones such as long bones of the leg serves weight-bearing functions. They also interact with the skeletal muscles attached to them to bring about movements. The bones marrow in some bones is the site of production of blood cells. On the other hand, blood is a fluid connective tissue containing plasma, red blood cells, RBC, white blood cells, WBC, and platelets. It is a main circulating fluid that helps in the transport of various substances. Let's solve some important questions from medical exams. Question 1. Which of the following cells of connective tissue secrete antibodies? Mast cells, particular cells, adipose tissues. Yes, student give answer plasma cells. Yes. Students, this question is asked in CBMT 2005. So now solution is alveolar type connective tissue contains fibroblasts, macrophages, and mast cells. Any mast cells secrete antibodies for protection of body. Guys, comment if you have choose this answer correct. And then question 2 is adipose tissue is found in mammals and epidermis or in muscles or in epidermis or in Bloxdermis. Listeners, find out this question is asked JIPMA 2000. Find the answer. So now solution is adipose tissue is a type of loose connective tissue located mainly beneath the skin, dermis. Correct answer dermis. Guys, comment that those who have correct the answer. Now, loose connective tissue and dense connective tissue and special connective tissue are studied in this video. If you like this, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you all.